Hi, welcome back. It's Mike with Itty Bitty Micro Farms. We're here to do our broccoli grow. Show you what we do with our broccoli grow. This is one of my favorite ones. So let's get into it. All right, we're going to do our broccoli microgreens. We're going to show you how we do it. This is one of my favorites to grow. It's an easy grow. It's the best microgreen for you. There's studies and everything else. We'll have links in the bottom here. Some great health benefits with broccoli microgreens. We're going to get ready to seed our broccoli now. We use 15 grams and we use a spice shaker. We'll take you in close here in a second and show you how to do that. So we're going to go ahead and water. Turn this baby on mist and give them a nice top watering over top, and then we'll go in and water these really good. Now that them are all watered, we're going to mist in the top and settle them down. We're going to get it really close and give them a good watering. Alright, the broccolis are all watered. You want to remember to give them a really good watering. It should have some weight to the tray because they're going to go in germination for 3 days. We're not going to touch them at that point. We're just going to let them germinate. And we don't water them, we don't do anything to them, we don't touch them until they're ready to come out at day 3. So, give them a good watering, have them ready to go, and then just stack them on top of each other. No more than 6 high. This is the most you want to go. And in this grow, we're doing 10. So I'm going to do 5 and 5. All right, they are stacked. They're ready to go in germination. We'll put a top tray on it when we go in germination. All right, we are over in the germination area. We got our broccoli set on here. We already have that one stack put on here. We got the second stack here, 5 here. Remember, no higher than 6. We're going to go ahead and cover this up with that top tray. Get that brick put on here on that. Get the seeds nice and pressured in to the soil so they get good roots. Press up. We're going to let this set here for 3 days. We don't touch them. We let them germinate for 3 days. We already get a good water on them, so they'll be good for that 3 days. And once you start seeing them poking out the sides, pushing up a little bit, that's when they're ready to go out. All right, we got the broccoli here just out of germination after 3 days of being in germination, and we're going to give it a good watering to get on the shelf. Remember, it's been without water for 3 days, so you want to give it a good watering. And we're at the stage of watering on the shelf underneath lights. These are on day 5. We're watering the bottom of them, and we just lift the trays up and we give them water underneath here. Get about 10 seconds. Get you your watering. It's about 1.5 cups if you don't have a hose. So yeah, these ones are on day 5. These ones down here are on day 8 of growth. So a couple more days, they'll grow up really good. The ones underneath are almost ready here. So just kind of the different stages of the broccoli that we got going on. And we'll be showing harvest here in a couple of days of these trays. And we'll show you that and how much harvest we get out of that here soon. All right, we're here on day 10 now with the broccolis. We're ready to harvest. It looks beautiful, beautiful canopy, nice and sturdy. We're gonna harvest this one a little bit different than doing sunflowers and peas, a little bit more delicate. So let's get into harvesting. We're gonna pack it right into our packaging that we need. You still just grab a little bit and cut it once you can. No soil pulled up at all. And we can go ahead and package this right now. All right, we like to package at 1.5 ounces for broccoli, and we sell that for $5 a container. Go ahead and close this up. And there's our package of broccoli. We'll put a label on it and we'll get it for retail. We're going to go ahead and harvest the rest. We'll let you know how much we get out of this tray. All right, we got all of the broccoli harvested. We did get 4 full packages out of that, plus 1 dish shy of 1.5 at 1.2. So we got almost 7.5 ounces, 7.2 ounces out of that. That's usually typically what broccoli is, somewhere between 7 and 8 ounces. So really good yield. Happy with that one.